Now, I've been using Camtasia for some years now. I want to show you some tricks I use when I'm editing. This is a video I recorded for myself some time back. I was doing an explainer video. Now, the first one I'm going to show you is you can tilt this video of yours, like I'm going to tilt. So all you need to do is hold down Control and Shift at the same time as you wobble your mouse, your left hand mouse like this. It will tilt the way you feel like. Now, if I play like this, you see the tilt will just remain just like that. So that's how to tilt around your video. You can even tilt it the way you feel like, just like this. You can even tilt it the other way around, as you can see there. If I play it like that, yeah, so you can easily tilt your video like that. Let me just undo Control Z, Control Z, Control Z until the way it was. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you now, maybe you're editing a video and you want to change the size of this one. Like, for example, this one was big like this. Then at some point where I'm explaining something here, maybe like here, I'll just expand this one so that it becomes bigger, so that I expand my timeline. I'll just come here, for example, then I'll just come here. Okay, what you need to do just before you do that, you just come here and click split all, so that you split all of this. Then the next thing you're going to do, you see this gap here, you have to have some gap between here and here. Now this video here is big, on this side is big, this one here, but I want this side to reduce the size, so I'll click the other side and just do like this. Now what I want is very simple. I don't, if I play here like this, you see it will just come and jump like that. I don't want it to jump, I want it to go smooth. So what will I do? I'll come here, make sure you see the space here. You come here, maybe you can hold Control so that you have total control of what you select. Then I'll just do highlight here, right click, then I'll just ripple delete. You see what happens? It brings this arrow here, so it goes as if it's animated. You see, if I play now, you see how it goes smoothly. Now that's the second trick you can use. You can animate so that it goes smooth, it doesn't go abruptly, just like this one here. Let me show you another place also. Maybe this time now I want to increase, I want to make it big. Maybe I cut this place, split all again. Remember this side is small, and this time now I want this side to be big. Now I want to expand like this, just like that. So what will I do again? I'll come here, hold Control, then I'll just highlight, then ripple delete, just like that. Then if I play now, you see how it comes out that way very smoothly. You can even increase the animation duration like that by expanding. If you want it to go slow, or if you want it to go fast, you can easily just play around with this, just like that. Now the third trick I want to show you now is, now I'll just click this one here. This time I'm going to modify, then I'll go to effect, then I'll go to visual effects. Then there's something called where is it, corner rounding. I don't want this aspect to be maybe squared. You can play around with this. Maybe you want it to put it maybe something like oval, or you want to put it something like that. You can even decide one side to be like that by just clicking this. You see, you can decide to do that, or you can just do like this, or you can just make it square again. So you can easily play around with this by changing the intensity just like that. Now that's the third trick I wanted to show you. It's called corner round. Now the next thing I want to show you, still on this, I'll go to modify, then I'll come to visual effects. Then this time I'm going to use something called color loot. Maybe you want to enhance your color, or you want to enhance how it looks. I'll just click that one. You see how it changed a little bit dark, which sometimes might look awesome, especially depending on the lights that you used in your video. Now, so those are some of the tricks I wanted to show you for today. I'll show you more tricks as time goes by. See you in the next video.